Are you working hard but still living paycheck to paycheck? You're not alone, but you might be sabotaging yourself with these 5 money habits. Let's break them down and see how to fix each one. 1. Living beyond your means. The number 1 trap: spending more than you earn. It's easier than ever with credit cards and buy now, pay later apps. But this habit keeps you poor, not because you don't earn enough, but because your lifestyle expands faster than your income. Fix: track your monthly spending. Cut 10% immediately. Create a buffer. Your future self will thank you. 2. No emergency fund. One unexpected expense, like a broken phone or car repair, and you're borrowing again. No safety net equals instant debt spiral. Fix: save your first $1,000, even if it's 5 a day. It's your financial airbag. 3. Only relying on one income source. You work 40 hours for one paycheck. What if it disappears? No backup means you're always one step away from crisis. Fix: start a side hustle, freelance gig, or passive income stream. Multiple incomes equal multiple safety nets. 4. Not investing. Early enough. You keep saving, but not growing your money. Inflation eats it. Time is your biggest ally. The earlier you invest, the more you build. Fix: learn the basics of ETFs, index funds, and compound interest. Even $50 a month makes a difference. 5. Emotional spending. Stress, boredom, celebration. Every emotion leads to a purchase. This habit empties wallets faster than bills do. Fix: build awareness. Next time you're about to buy something, pause, breathe, wait 24 hours. Most urges fade. Fixing these habits doesn't require more money, it requires more awareness. Break the cycle, master your money, and rewrite your future. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more financial freedom strategies.